Okay, this is for my free gun rise for everybody who has dropped spots recently. I just want y'all to know thank you so very much. I'll grab our list. I believe I counted 64 earlier. I'll go ahead and go live at 3:33. Okay. There's 64 on there, I think. So we need a 7 or higher. It's 3:34. We got an 8. Still 3:34. Our first roll. 74 items on the list. Linda on top. Andrea on the bottom. We did get an 8. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 64 items on the list. Kevin on top. Misty is on the bottom. We randomized 7 times. Our dice calls for an 8. This will be our final roll at 3:35. Good luck, everyone. Stacy, congratulations. You're the winner. 64 items on our list. Stacy is the winner. We randomized 8 times. Our dice called for an 8. We'll get our final stamp. We are done at 3:35.